I know. I was just here sharing a boardroom recap, and I'm back. So sit back and relax. I'll fill you in on what's happened at the July 25th special called board meeting because it's jam-packed. The special called board meeting opened with public testimony where citizens are given the opportunity to address the Board of Trustees. Trustees participated in a second budget workshop for the 2023-24 school year with CFO Michelle Yates. At the second budget workshop, trustees looked at projected revenues and projected expenditures for this next school year. As this is only a workshop, no final recommendations for the budget were made. The board will have the opportunity to provide input to the administration regarding future expenditures. The board then conducted District 2 trustee applicant interviews. The Victoria Independent School District has received an impressive response in its search for a District 2 trustee following the board's acceptance of Dr. De Los Santos's resignation. The candidates, Emmett Alvarez Jr., Bridget Marshall, and Andrew Rokovich, were asked the same interview questions by trustees and given 2 minutes to respond, but we'll come back to that. Following the information items, trustees then moved to action items. The board discussed and took action regarding the contract for the ESSER grant HVAC BAS replacements and non-ESSER roofing projects. The board approved this item. The board discussed and took action regarding water chilling units for the CTI and administration building. The board approved this item. All items on the consent agenda were also approved. Following closed session, the board reconvened for official action. The board considered and took action to appoint Bridget Marshall as the District 2 trustee for the remainder of the current term. The new District 2 trustee was then administered the oath of office and officially took their seat as District 2 trustee. And that wraps up our second special called boardroom recap for July. We'll see y'all in August when we're back to our regular boardroom recap schedule. Remember, if you can't make the VISD school board meetings in person, you can watch them live via the VISD website. Visit visd.net and right under the rotating banner, you'll see school board meetings. Click that button and select Watch Live. And if you can't watch live, that's what we're here for. So make sure you're following Victoria ISD on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and subscribe to Victoria ISD on YouTube.